Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily jailbreak iOS 12.5.8 on all of your devices. We will be using the Freya Jailbreak, which install Cydia instead of Sileo. So if you want Cydia, you can use the Freya Jailbreak. You can also use it if the checked-in jailbreak is not working for you, like for example on your A7 devices. Freya Jailbreak is completely free and we are at its official GitHub page, as you can see right here. And we have a brand new version right here, version 1.3.9. It fixes all the issues with Cydia not working correctly. I have checked it thoroughly before making this video. This video is for educational and informational purposes. Before you begin, make sure that you turn off Defender so that the process goes on smoothly. Once the Freya Jailbreak app is installed onto your device, make sure that you turn it on. Also, after a successful jailbreak, I will also show you how you can easily re-jailbreak your device using just Safari without a computer. First of all, you will simply head to the latest release and then get the Freya IPA to your computer first. Now, as you can see, I already got the Freya.ipa to my PC. Now to install it, you can either use Impactor or you can also use Sideloadly. Both are completely free. In this video, I will use Impactor. Before you use Impactor, make sure you have installed iTunes on your PC. You can simply head to the official website for iTunes and simply get it from here and install it on your PC. Also, if you install iTunes from the Microsoft Store, make sure you uninstall it and install it from here. Once you're at the official GitHub page for Impactor, simply scroll down and under releases you will see this latest release. Simply scroll down and from there on your Windows PC simply get this file, Impactor Windows setup file. Simply get it and install it like any other app. Now simply fire up Impactor and at this moment simply connect your iOS device via USB and your device should show up here. Now you will see this gear icon, simply hit it. From there hit add account and simply log in with your own Apple ID here. Any Apple ID will work and it will show up right here. Once your Apple ID is added, simply go back. Then hit this import button. Now simply select the Freya.ipa file you just got, open, and then simply hit install and wait for the process to finish. Alright, you can see it is now finished and you will see the Freya app right on your home screen. Now you can close out of Sideloadly or Impactor, whichever you used, and now we'll follow the rest of the process on device. Alright guys, as you can see, the device I'm using is the same iPhone 6 running iOS 12.5.8 and you can see we have the Freya Jailbreak app right here. Before you can open it, then go to General, scroll all the way down to Device Management and trust the app from here against your Apple ID. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected before you do so. Once done, simply go back home and now you can open the Freya Jailbreak app. You will see this message, hit on OK. Now simply hit the jailbreak button. You will see this message, hit on OK and your device will reboot. Once you're back in, reopen the Freya app. Then hit the jailbreak button again and wait for the process to finish. Once the process completes, you will see this message, hit on respring. And you will see Cydia on your home screen. Let's open it. We will wait for the sources to refresh. Now if you see these errors, don't worry. Simply return to Cydia, go to sources, and you can try refreshing the sources from here once again. Now from there you can see which one is the problematic source. You can simply return to Cydia and simply slide and remove this one. Then return to Cydia and then you can refresh and the error will be fixed. Alright, no issues whatsoever. You can see the changes are working fine, installed, and you can see the version iOS 12.5.8. It's an iPhone 6. If you check out installed, you can see the Cydia substrate is also already installed. Now to install a tweak, I will go to search and then search for cylinder, which is completely free. Simply hit it, install and confirm, then restart Springboard. When you return back, you can see the tweak is working just fine, no issues whatsoever. Also, if you open settings and simply scroll down, you can see we have the tweak right here, a cylinder, which means the preference loader is also working perfectly fine. Now, if I open Cydia again, let the sources refresh. Alright, you can see no errors, no issues. Also, if the preference loader is not installed automatically, you can go to search and search for preference loader and you will see it here and install it manually. Also, if you happen to reboot your device or your battery runs out, once your device starts up again, you can simply again open Freya and re-jailbreak your device. As you can see, your device needs to enable the jailbreak. So we will open the Freya app and you will see enable Freya here. Simply hit it and this will enable your jailbreak again. Then hit respring. Once you go in, your tweaks will start working again like nothing happened. The problem with the Freya app is that it will expire every 7 days and you will require a computer to re-jailbreak your device. So now I will share another method which lets you re-jailbreak your device which is already jailbroken with the Freya jailbreak without a computer, with just Safari. First of all, I will unjailbreak my device by simply restarting it once again. Alright, once your device gets back on, you can see the device is now unjailbroken again. Now to re-jailbreak without a computer, simply open Safari and head to the official Freya Jailbreak developers website. Again, it is completely free, it is completely safe, and it is only meant to re-jailbreak your device which is already jailbroken with the Freya jailbreak at first. Now simply hit this button and wait for the process to finish. Alright, and you will see this message. Simply hit close and now you will see this dialog again. Now simply hit respring with tweaks on. Alright, the device is now back on. You can see the tweaks are now working, which means the jailbreak has been enabled. It is re-jailbroken. We can open Cydia and it works fine. You can see the version again, iPhone 6, iOS 12.5.8, sources, changes, installed, everything works. Let's go home. Now if you want to remove this jailbreak completely and return back to stock, you will simply first of all reboot your device. You'll simply turn it off and turn it on again. Alright, once you're back on, you can see the device is again unjailbroken as we rebooted the device. Now open the Freya app, then go to settings and you will find this button to restore root FS. Simply turn it on, then go home and you will find remove Freya. Simply hit it and wait for the process to finish. And you will see this message, hit on OK. Your device will now reboot. Alright, once you're on, you'll see that Cydia is now gone and we are back to stock. Now to re-jailbreak your device, open the Freya app and then hit the jailbreak button. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.